Oh, well, then you do. No, he's...
I always know how to find best lighting, you know. It's been a while. You know, I have my exams in like a week and I should be practicing and doing stuff too, you know. But instead, I'm watching YouTube videos. That's that. I have some exciting news though. I have just fabulous English as always. I have bought a new camera lens. It's beautiful. I haven't gotten it yet, but the one I have now is have the zoom from 18mm to 55mm, and my next one will have from 18mm to, you guessed it, 140mm. It's amazing. I know, it's this beautiful creature right here. So freaking beautiful. I'm now going to show you what it costs. This is Norwegian kroner, so don't worry. It did not cost me $4,990. No, it cost about 49 or maybe 48.
I don't know.
This is so not going on the internet.
You can see the sun like, oh my god, behind. Whoa, hi. I think I'm going to have a clip in here where I do my makeup, and I did my makeup, and then out of the blue I started getting the hiccups. But yeah, I think I need to say, but yeah, stop saying that. I wanted so much to say, but yeah. Sure. No. Okay. But, now I'm going back to watch the YouTube video and then I'm gonna read or do my home exam. Okay, enjoy watching me having the hiccups and doing my makeup. Bye! Hi. Doing my makeup. Just got the hiccups. Hopefully it's over now because I started filming myself. Oh no, it's not. Brush. Birth.